The model we've got out there is actually the Vesta 1000 Plus, which have got some enhancements over the basic Vesta 1000. It's similar in some ways to some of our Dali products, but a little bit different in others. So for instance, the standard, that machine comes with a 12,000 RPM spindle, BT40, 18.5 kilowatt. It's slightly smaller in the strokes, in as much that this machine is ideal for people doing thin plate work, where they need to get the spindle very close to the top of the table. So we've got a daylight dimension of 630 millimeters in Z, which means that with an 80mm tool, we can actually touch the table. Really a unique feature for this class of machine. If you've got very heavy tools, then we can program, rather than the normal MO6 industry-wide tool change command, we program an M16, and because it's a servo-driven tool change, it automatically slows the speed down by about 25 to 25% of the full speed, because the full speed is a 1.6 second tool-to-tool time. If you've got, as some factories are, where machines are very tight side to side, then it gives them the way to get more machines into the small area that they may have available and still have access for chip bucket at the rear side. On this particular model, the swarf conveyor comes out at the rear side of the machine and is very practical and minimises the amount of floor space needed. The standard package that we import the machine into has things like block look ahead, it has manual guide eye, rigid tap, PEC tapping, as I mentioned earlier, the 12,000 RPM, through spindle coolant, air blow, flood coolant, all the normal everyday features that the majority of customers need as standard. Delivered and installed in 3 days.